welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we're doing a very nice pastel summary tutorial. In my head, I'm not locked down. I'm actually gonna go to the beach even though I don't wear makeup to the beach, so I prepped the outfit, the buns, and now I want to do the face. I want to look summery even though it's 10 p.m. I want to do a summery look. I want to like get all in that trend even though we're locked down. I want to feel like I'm gonna go to the beach and I want to make it in my face. So if you want to watch this tutorial with a pastel look with a Huda Beauty Pastel Mint palette, then just keep watching. Okay, so I already primed my eyes with concealer, and I'm actually gonna start with my crease. Actually no, I'm gonna start my inner corner with this shade. The shades don't have color, so this light green, I'm gonna put it in the inner side of my eye. I'm just gonna pack that. I've already tried this palette for a while now, and when I love this mirror. But so far the pink was great. I'm gonna try now the greens. I wanna see how they perform, how blendable this can be. I love this mirror also. I feel like it's big enough to, you know, do the trick. Okay, so far, pigmentation is, I want to say fine. I guess it's hard with pastels to get, you know, something opaque. Like, it can be a little patchy, and I think that's the thing with colors, like blues and greens. But I'm just gonna give this a try either way. I'm gonna actually take a blending brush. I'm gonna go into this light bluish color, and I'm gonna put that on my crease. This is very powdery, actually. Wow, like, can you see that? That messy? Okay, I think I threw all the pigment away. See, this is what I was afraid of, taking away the other colors. Okay, can you see that? This is actually taking the color off. That is so weird. I guess this is just more for packing, and even I can't even have this off. Why has anyone not said this before? I keep seeing a bunch of tutorials on this and have actually not heard any bad reviews. And this happened to me with the blue palette, the blue Huda palette. I just decided to give this a try. Actually blending out really nice. I just hate that the color that I just placed is literally gone. Like, I don't know if you can see that that is truly gone. I'm just gonna reposition it once I'm done blending this out. And I get it, like when you blend things out, they fade. This is such a strange palette. I don't know how to apply pastels. I think there should be a way of applying these kinds of colors without them not fading away. I don't know if this is turning into a freaking review or what. I was actually waiting for a review later on, but it's not really going how I expected it. It's not going as smoothly as I expected it. And it's probably also because I don't know how to play with pastels. But then again, does a regular person know how to play with pastels? Really? All jokes aside, I could be the one who doesn't know how to use this palette. Okay, this is not working out. This is fading away. I have a friend here online, and he's just shitting all over this palette as well because it's not going the right way. Okay, I'm gonna actually try to go into this blue. I didn't want this to turn into a review, but this is turning into a sad review. I'm gonna go into the blue and try to place that on the outer corners of my eye and the inner corners. See if that works out. That blue's not bad at all. Actually, performing really well. This is not turning out the way that I expected it to. Like, stuff doesn't want to go into my inner corner for some reason. Okay, now it does, now that I patted that with my finger away. So I'm just gonna put a little of the blue as well because the other shades they're not working with me today. I'm gonna actually place that there. It's gonna be a fun look. Fun, nice look. That's not what I was going for, but I'm gonna take it. Like, if someone's ever gonna see me do my makeup for the first time, let it not be this one. Because this is not my best look. Certainly. Okay guys, so I don't want this to turn into a review, but I'm struggling here and I need to say it out loud. So probably the title of this video will be Review and Pastel Look, because this is not working out for me. The blue is a little patchy here. I don't know if you can see it. Like, I'm trying to intensify it and it's just not working out. Okay, it's getting better. I don't know, I could possibly not know how to work this as well. I just see so many tutorials on Instagram that I just thought that this would be so good. But I mean, the glitter I've tried and it's so good. That's why I thought the mattes would be good as well. With the other Huda Beauty palette, nothing worked. Like the blue one was so bad for me. I don't know if I had a bad batch, but that did not work for me. Okay, so I'm gonna actually take on this blue, like, it just works. Okay, I'm just gonna take the blue shade. I'm gonna pop that. Oh my god, that is such a pretty color. I'm gonna actually, oh, this is kind of like moussey. Okay, nice, I like it. Okay, I'm just gonna pop this. Oh my god, what a beautiful shade. Oh, that is such a pretty shade. Oh, but it's taking off the blue. This is like ruining the experience for me. Oh my god, what a beautiful shade. Like, this is super moussey. Like, can you see that I made a dent? It's the first, oh, I like it. I like the feeling of it, but it's like taking off the other color. It's like you have to do everything backwards. Like, if I was doing this all over again, I would probably put the glitter first, then pack in the blue, and then maybe even then blend it out in the slightest, most softest way as well, because this is taking off the blue. Like, can you see around? I'm gonna have to pat that all over again. Okay, that is really pretty. That is actually really pretty, and it's like not overwhelming. It's like scarce glitter. The only thing that I would like, I just don't feel like it's even. On some parts it looks super opaque. I don't know if it's because it's reflective. No, like I try to turn and it's not because it's sequency. It's because it's just not applying. Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Look at that. That's beautiful. But the mattes are a fucking no-no. Just gonna pat the blue lightly. I'm actually gonna do the same thing on the other eye. I'm gonna do the rest of my face and then we're gonna see how we finish this look. And yes, this has turned into a fucking tutorial because honestly, this is not fucking working out. Hey guys, I'm back and I did my whole face and I did my mascara. I'm gonna actually do my inner corner. I'm gonna take this nice golden glittery shade here and I'm gonna put it in my inner corners. It's super pretty. Like, all the glitters in this palette are so nice. It's like scattered glitter. That's the way I would describe the glitters here. They're not really like intense in the sense that they're packed and like metallic-y. They're much more of a scattered light, and when the light hits it, it's like a different color. It's like duochromatic, that's the word. I think it's such a playful palette in terms of for the glitter. That's what it looks like. And that's what the matte looks like even after I pat it in and whatnot. I still think it looks a little patchy here, but overall I think it worked out. I cleaned up a little with some translucent powder. Actually not translucent powder, some MAC. What is this name? MAC Medium Mineralized Skin Finish to clean up the shade that I had there, because if it's not packed, it looks really like weird, like with a gray undertone, so I just took it off. It didn't really suit me. I don't know how I feel about this. This is not my best look, and this is not the best palette. I'm not gonna lie. I'm actually gonna take... Van a hacer algo rosado abajo, como que rosadito, mira ese rosadito. Okay, so my friend said that I should go with the pink, so I'm gonna do that. I actually do like this matte shade because it's just, you know, like your regular pink-ish shade, and it's really nice. It's just a salmon shade, and it's really pretty. So I think it might complement this look really well. I'm just not really satisfied with the quality of the shade at the top. Actually, that looks really nice. Hey guys, so this is what the final look looks like. I'm not mad at it. Like, the look itself, it looks good. Like, it's not bad looking at all. Like, I do look, you know, like I'm going to a Summerfest or something like that. It's just, I'm not a fan of the matte. I'm truly not a fan of the matte. Like, it looks like I just placed it there because if I start blending it out, it's gonna just fade away, and you know, that's not what I want, essentially. But yeah, it looks good. I love the glitters. The glitters are super pretty. They're duochromatic. They give the nicest shine on the look, like on the eyes. Like, I'm gonna actually swatch you guys. So this one is like a light scattered pink. I'm gonna actually swatch that for you. That is such a pretty, like, pinky reflectiveness. Like it's pink, but like with the light, it's like whitish. It looks so pretty. It has like a bunch of pink and golden colors, and then this one, which has like blue and pink within it. It's literally, that is literally it. Like, I'm gonna show you actually. I don't know if you can actually differentiate those two. They're actually really different. This one is pink and gold, and this one is blue and pink, and it's such a pretty color because depending on where the light hits you, it's how it's gonna look. And honestly, and this is the one that I put on my inner corner. Like if it were to be because of the shades, I think this palette is such a nice color. Like this is greenish and yellow, and it looks so pretty because depending on where the light hits you, it looks so different. And I just feel like this is the shades, like the shimmery shades of this palette, they're so great for, I'm just still deciding on how I look about this. They're so great for summer. Like they're just really playful. Summer and spring, they're really playful, you know, bluish, greenish, yellowish, and light pink. Like it's just the perfect tone and set. That's why I wanted to use this for this video. Like it's just the perfect playfulness for summer and spring. Like these mattes are killing me. Like that matte is just like, you know, your regular pink, and I think it's because colorful shadows, green, blue, yellow, like those really colorful out of the neutrally shades, like they're really hard to make, and they're really hard to, you know, like blend out and whatnot. So I guess that I understand where this is coming from. The same happens to me with some other palettes that I might have that are like with colors. It's really hard to blend stuff out. I was just expecting that because everyone on Instagram is currently doing tutorials on this palette. I thought that it would be so good. And I've seen pictures, like they look nice, but I don't know why it's so hard for me to blend this out. Like you even saw, like whenever I would blend out, it would just like leave my skin. It wouldn't even like fade nicely. It would just go away. So like even my friend here that I have on Skype, like he could tell the difference of how things would go out. So I'm sorry that this turned into a review, but this is just not working for me. I think this was like 25 bucks. I'm not sure. I'm gonna list the price below. I bought it for the Sephora VIP sale. If it would be at a regular price, I don't think I would buy it. I mean, I love, like I would only buy it for the shimmers because the shimmers are beautiful, and they're actually 5 shimmers and 4 mattes. And the actual, this one's really nice, like the pink one. But the other ones, which is what the palette is for, the pastels, the greenish minty colors, like I just don't think it's worth it. I feel like you could get the same thing with ColourPop and even better. I haven't tried them, don't take my word for it, but I think that you could buy ColourPop palettes with the same shade range, and it would be either the same experience or be better because they have really good quality stuff. And yeah, I just don't think it's worth it. I don't think it's worth the money unless you're going for the glittery shades, and it's worth it because they're so pretty. And size wise and packaging wise, it's so pretty. I love the size. It's not too big or too small. The mirror is lovely. Like I could do my eyes with this. I don't normally do my eyes with small mirrors, but this is like not too small, not too big. So this, like packaging wise, is perfect. I'm not a fan of the minty colors. So that's my take on it. Okay guys, so that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful, because you could see this palette in action. I hate that this became a review. I thought I would do a review of this later once I would try like the minty side of it, like the greenish side of it, but I couldn't not talk about it while doing this tutorial. And I hope you enjoyed it. I mean, at the end of the day, I did like how it turned out. Like it is a pretty minty kind of pastel fun look. I have my thoughts on it, and I hope you found it useful. I hope you found it entertaining. And if you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like me to try any other palettes, you can comment down below. Also comment down below your experience with this palette, because I feel like the 2 times that I've tried any Huda Beauty palettes, which is honestly colorful ones, like the blue and this one, I didn't have a nice experience. So please do let me know if I'm the one with the issue. Am I getting bad batches, or am I not knowing how to work with them? Because that could be it. I recognize that that could be it. So yeah, comment that down below. And if you, again, enjoyed this video, click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!